Hi, this is Topher with Winning WP. In this video, we're going to answer the question, what is Shopify? Shopify is a website that allows you to quickly and easily set up an online store. It's a little different from setting up a website in that they provide all of the website hosting for you, so that all you really need to worry about are your products. Shopify has a free 14-day trial, so it's easy to give it a shot and see what you think. Let's start it now. We'll put in our email address, a password, and our store name. And you can change your store name later, so don't worry about that right now. And then we'll click Create Your Store. And now it's creating our store. They have a great little wizard here for helping you get the right configuration the first time. I'm going to choose I'm just playing around because we just want to look at some of the features. Now, this is a great option for developers. You can say, yes, I'm developing for a client, not for myself. We need to tell them who we are, and then we can get started setting up our store. There are several things that need to happen. We need to add products. We need to choose a theme so that our store looks nice. We need to pick a domain name. And then we need to tell Shopify where to send the money. Let's take a look at how easy it is to add a product. Let's use their example of a t-shirt. We can upload some images. We can say that it's a $10 shirt. We could put in some inventory information if we need to. Shipping, it weighs 2 pounds. Fulfillment service means who is going to mail this t-shirt to them. Right now, it's Shopify. We could add variants, meaning sizes, colors, and things like that. And then up here on the right, we can put in what product type it is, vendor, collections, tags, things like that. So then we'll just save this. And now we have a product. When someone makes an order, it gets listed here, and we don't have any yet, but we would see customer information, finances, etc. We can make discounts. We can use marketing tools. We can look at our customers, and we can use analytics to see how we're doing. Once we've added a product, we can customize a theme real quick. This one is called Debut, their signature theme. We can preview, rename, duplicate, etc. Let's preview without making any changes at all. It's pretty bland, but that's okay. We didn't make any changes. We can click Customize, and here we can change this text. You can see how easy it is to change this kind of information. Then when we're done, we'll click Save. You also get to see how the site is going to look on mobile devices, as well as full screen. When we go back to the Shopify home dashboard, we see that our store is currently password protected. This is really what you want while you're building your store, so that people don't stumble upon it while it's only half done. You do have 14 days of this free trial to build your store and see what you think of it. During this time, you could go live and actually sell things. That would be the best test. Before we wind up, let's take a look at some example stores. Here's a site selling high-end furniture. You can see the chairs, and there are some details. Here's an example of a store with a pop-up discount. Selling clothing with a unique design. And lastly, a store with a large banner that draws the eye. So as you can see, Shopify makes it easy to set up your first store. All you need to worry about are your products and the financial settings. So Shopify is a great way to get started in e-commerce. If you'd like even more great content, check out winningwp.com and also subscribe to this YouTube channel.